Hey all, welcome back to my channel, 1000 Little Miracles. In today's video, I'm gonna share how to make a realistic Christmas tree with air dry clay. Here I'm using a cardboard paper to make the base. Roll air dry clay 1 to 2 centimeters thick, cut tiny flowers with clay cutter tool. Now fold the flower and attach it on the cardboard base, as I am showing. The process is super easy and satisfying. I have enjoyed a lot. Please enjoy watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support would be very much appreciated. Our Christmas tree is completed now. Let it dry completely. Let's make a star. Take a little portion of air dry clay, flatten it. Now make a star as I'm showing. Attach the star on the top of the tree. Let it dry. Now I am making bells with clay. Let's enjoy. While attaching the clapper of the bell, I forgot to shoot the video. Extremely sorry for that. Our DIY project is almost finished. Let's start coloring it. Apply gesso or white acrylic color evenly. Then color the tree green. Now, to make it more realistic, apply a little bit of yellow on the upper part and blend properly. And also apply a little bit of dark blue on the bottom and blend. Now apply little bits of dust silver color at the edge of the leaves. Color the star and bells golden. Let's decorate the tree with colorful tiny clay lamps. Isn't it pretty? Let me know in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.